welcome to our life in the Philippines. Taking a little walk today inside Balibago, and we're Balibago. Probably going to hit the walking street up there a little bit. Out looking for a place to eat. We want to try to find something new today, so we are going to do that. And we're just passing by here. We're just passing by here the barangay outpost and the Balibago barangay hall. So we're going to head up this way towards Camcorder and see if we can't find something to eat. We're getting hungry.
Are we going inside the walking street?
Well, let's go up here. He suggested a couple of places up here, so we're gonna go there and check it out. All right, so he said by Janice, and we're coming up to.
Yeah, this is Janice.
We're coming up to Janice here.
I know where's the place. So beside the Converge.
Inside Converge?
Beside.
Ah, okay. All right.
Chinese restaurant.
Okay. All right, let's try that. Chinese food. That's where we're heading. So we're gonna go and sit down and eat. All right, so we cross here, right? All right, so here we have the famous Janice, one of the first ever grocery stores that opened here in Andoer City, and that's where we're at right now. So here we go. We have the Fortune Hong Kong seafood. Don't know what that is. Well, let's go and check the menu. I'm not sure I want seafood. Well, we got to check the menu, right? So let's do it. It looks good on the menu, but all right, we'll walk somewhere else. We'll walk up towards Walking Street and see where we end up. All right, so let's just walk up to towards the Walking Street. I'd like to try something that we haven't tried before, so let's see what we can find, and we'll do a little walk up there. Famous Janice, like I said, I think that was one of the very first grocery stores in Andoer City. I think that store probably have 30-40 years on the neck. All right, so we gave up on that Chinese for now. Neither one of us, more like seafood, and neither one of us are like really into seafood. Here's the back end of the Wild Orchid Resort, and we're gonna head up to the Walking Street and see if we can't get us some food. Yeah, Walkabout Hotel. Back here, I don't know. Club Asia. I haven't been here a whole lot in this area, but I know there is a restaurant in here somewhere that also has pretty decent food. Do you want to try something different off the street, or should we just keep moving? Yeah, what is it called? Scoreboards Hotel, maybe. They have a restaurant in here. Do they have a menu out here?
Menu, sir?
So we can take a look. In here? Oh, okay. Okay. Let's look at the menu. So this is the hotel, right?
Yeah, it names
Duke's Restaurant. Okay, go ahead. All right, let's get back to what we're talking about. Duke's.
Yeah, it's in Dukes.
Yeah, this is where they have.
I've seen this one on YouTube.
Yeah, we've seen.
I think one. I'm not sure if Philo is ano.
Philo or filling or both.
I don't know. I'm not sure.
I
I'm not
don't know.
sure.
Anyway, we're here and surroundings are pretty nice.
Yeah.
We're gonna have a little lunch, and we're waiting for that to be served, and then we move on.
Yeah,
Walk
you
up.
wanna see the what?
Yeah,
behind
we can.
what's on the front of us.
We can turn it around.
There you go.
We can turn it around. It's a pretty nice setting here.
Yeah.
So.
There you go. That's it.
Right. All right. Waiting for food. All right. So the food just arrived. Looks pretty good. So let's dig into it and enjoy it. Huh? Yeah. Pretty decent plate. How much was it? 200?
No, this one is mine is 175 something. Yours is 180 something.
Just black pepper.
I know.
Yeah, it's a pretty good plate for.
Yeah.
It's not even $4.
Ah.
Even a little fresh vegetables.
Yeah, that's it. That's all we did. Vegetables. They put 1,000, what is the name of the dressing? 1,000,
Yeah, it looks like Thousand Island.
yeah.
Pulled pork sandwich.
Yeah.
Tastes pretty good. Very tasty sandwich. Looks good.
Well,
You want to try?
huh?
You want to try?
Do I have a
What's that? Chicken?
chicken?
Chicken burger? Hearty. Pretty good chunk of barbecue pulled pork in there.
Yeah. Mine I have big one, but I need to. There's a pickle.
Huh? You need what?
I need to.
All right, guys. We are going to wrap this one up here. Let me tell you, I was actually surprised about that sandwich. It's been really good. But anyway, this place has a lot of stuff going on. Weekends, bikini contest, all kinds of stuff. Go down there and check it out. Their food is great. So go ahead, like, share, subscribe, and see you next video.